Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yossi Barnabas, and in the next 4 minutes I'll be showing you how to pipe your fabric and to make it look neat, as you can see in the video showing you right now. Okay, so let's go into it immediately. So firstly, we are going to be using our fabric of any choice that you're using, whatever fabric that you're using. So you're going to cut the stretchy parts, but let me show you how to get the stretchy parts. Okay, so you can see this cloth is 4 corner in nature, but then we are cutting this other way, as you can see in the video. Okay, so we are not cutting straight or the other side, we are cutting this way. That's how we get the stretchy parts of every fabric. Okay, so now let's get back to the video. So I'm using my hemming gum, as you can see, and then I'm just going to iron it down. As you can see in the video, I'm just going to iron it down. I'm using a manual iron because there's no electricity at the time I was making this video. Okay, so as far as it does the work, any iron is okay. Yeah, so I'm just going to fold. As you can see, the back part, one side is bigger than the other side. Okay, so to make the work easier and smoother, that's why I usually fold one part to be bigger than the other side. Yeah, so give a thorough iron it very well. Don't be afraid to iron your fabric. As a tailor or a fashion designer, your iron should be your friend. Okay, so now that we are done with the ironing, now let's go back to the fabric. Okay, so this is the fabric. I've joined the shoulder already, but now I'm going to measure the neck to see if it's up to the measurement of the owner of the fabric. Okay, so what I have here is 15.5, while the actual neck should be 17. So I'm going to be cutting 1/4 of an inch. That's 1/3 of an inch. Following the same process, I'm just going to cut it all around. You understand? That's more like expanding the neck. Just like I told you in my previous video, that it is better that your neck is small because it's easier to expand than it is big. Alright, so I always have that in mind whenever I'm cutting my fabric, because if it's small, I can easily expand it, just like this case in this video right now. So now that I've expanded it, I'm not going to measure again and see. Yeah, so I have 17 now. Okay, so we are going to the machine. Mind you, whatever the neck measurement is, you are going to add additional 2 to 3 inches on this fabric that you are using to fold the neck. It is not going to be the exact measurement with the neck. So the neck is 17, while the fabric I cut is 20. Now, the bigger part is going to be behind, okay, while the smaller part is going to be in the front. Okay, so I'm just going to sew it around using this particular technique, as you can see in the video. So if you follow every process as you are seeing in this video, then you are supposed to get the result of what I showed you on the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to sew it around. Yeah, so it's as easy as that. Now I'm done already. Alright, so I'm going to go to the table and iron it thoroughly. Alright, so at the end, this is what we get. So I'm yet to put the zip on the side. This is the fabric. This kind of fabric are the ones, this design is the ones that have invisible zip on the shoulder. So I'll probably do a video of how to put invisible zip. Alright, thank you for watching.